Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm going to give you the tarot reading for the month of June. That's June 2020. I'm going to start first with the Aries or the um, Mesh Rashi. I see that you're getting this card, the Justice card, for the month of June. Now, what it actually means is that you're going to look for justice in a way that you might feel that maybe things are not happening the way you want, or they're slow, and maybe you would like the universe to help you out. Maybe you might want to maybe whatever you're thinking, right? Whatever deeds you have done in the past, maybe you'll get some fulfillment of the past. Maybe in the month of June you might find some kind of action, maybe in terms of your work, some kind of fulfillment of your work. So justice card actually means that you're going to get something which you are looking for your deeds. Maybe whatever it is you've done previously, you're going to get um, the fruit of that in the month of June. Now Taurus, what is for you? Taurus is, you're being very positive in the month of June. Okay, some kind of new idea coming to you in the month of June, and it seems that something which might be very fruitful in terms of your work. Some kind of positive ideas coming in the month of June for Taurus. Gemini, I see this card for you. Okay, this card is usually for something to do with money. As you can see, there are pentacles here, Gemini. Gemini, I feel that in the month of June you're going to be a little tired, maybe in terms of maybe your finances are not going very well and you are feeling the pressure in the month of June. But things might get better if you just think about it and do something about in the month of June. Okay, that's what it means. Cancer, let me see your card for the Three of Coins. Cancer, you're getting some good news in terms of money as well as in terms of education that you feel in the month of June. Maybe some kind of prospects coming in the month of June in terms of money over here. Some kind of employment with education. That's what I see in the month of June. Then you have Leos. I see that you kind of happy in your family in the month of June. You're satisfied with your family life. You have everything you want. That's money, a family, a spouse, everybody that is there, and you're quite happy. Even you have pets and all. So quite happy in the month of June. Okay, no problem. I see the Virgos. You've got this card. Virgos, you need to be careful, not be over analytic in the month of June, because if you become like over analyzing things, you might not start trusting people. So just be positive and not be very over analytic in the month of June. Then I see Libras, you're going to be looking out for your money. If you have somebody who is a female, maybe in who's 30 plus, she might help you in terms of money. Maybe some kind of business opportunity she might bring you, or you can also be having a month which is about money. So the month of June, you'll be looking after your money matters. Now Scorpios, I see the Hierophant coming for you in the month of June. Maybe some religious work you want to do in the month of June, marriage, or something which is related to maybe spiritual, or mostly it's about marriage and some kind of spiritual work that you want to do in the month of June. Maybe you want to some kind of event company coming in the month of June for you. Apart from that, let me see what Sagittarians are in the month of June. They have the King of Pentacles. Sagittarius, this is good month for you. That's coming June. You might be surrounded by somebody, a male who may be 40 plus, and he might be very wealthy, or he might have all the comforts, and you might be with him. Or you can also be this person who's quite well off financially in the month of June. No problems with your finance. Capricorn, Makar, let me see what it is for you. Knight of Wands, I see that you'll be very much you'll be very energetic in the month of June, and you will be good in the month of June in terms of this, and you will also find that kind of energy in the month of June. and you'll be doing your work very fast. Now after that you have the Aquarians. Now I see that Aquarians are having the Chariot energy, the Cancerian energy. You'll be very much happy with your progress, and you'll be proceeding forward. Maybe some kind of problem you were facing, you're going to come fast. You're going to be like a chariot moving. So that is very nice. Maybe in terms of life's progress, personally, professionally. So overall, very good month for you. And lastly, Pisces, I see that you are going to be very happy with your past. Maybe some kind of reunion of the past, somebody coming from the past. Maybe you are meeting friends from your native place, or something that is coming from the past, some good news coming from the past in terms of relationships or romance or something like that. Overall, very good month for all the month of June. I see all positive cards. Okay, nobody is getting a very negative card, but you just have to be positive in the month of June. I'm sure everything will be fine, and I hope you are good in the month of June. Keep good health and take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Take care. Thank you.